Now the attachments of 7th cervical vertebra. It is also called vertebra prominens. The tip of spine provides attachment to ligamentum nuchae, trapezius muscle, rhomboid minor, serratus posterior superior, splenius capitis, semispinalis spinalis thoracis, spinalis cervicis, interspinalis multifidus. This is the tip of spine and it gives attachment to the ligamentum nuchae, then trapezius, rhomboid minor, serratus posterior superior, splenius capitis, semispinalis thoracis, spinalis cervicis, interspinalis, and multifidus muscle. Now the transverse process. The transverse process bears foramen transversarium, or in some cases foramen transversarium is absent. If it is present, the foramen transversarium transmits only accessory vertebral vein. This is the foramen transversarium. The posterior tubercle provides attachment to the suprapellular membrane. This is the posterior tubercle. Here it lies the posterior tubercle. This is the posterior tubercle. Posterior tubercle. It gives attachment to suprapellular membrane. The lower border of transverse process provides attachment to the levator costarum. This was the 7th cervical vertebrae.